there my peeps, Grammy T from Grammy T Knows, here to bring a new tip to my new and small business owners who do not have the budget to hire professionals in the areas of videography, photography, and graphic design. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Adobe's Speech Enhancement tool. This tool enhances the audio quality of your video.
Let's go in my backyard so we can record and run it through the speech enhancement tool and test it out.
So I'm outside now using my external mic, and you can still hear all the sounds. It picks up the birds chirping, the traffic. Sometimes we may even get a dog barking, but these are the ambient sounds that come with recording outside.
So now we get to use this fantastic tool. We're going to come here to the search engine and type in, well, it's actually here, but you would type in Adobe Podcast. Click on that, and here it is right here. Open that up. And then you're going to come right here to Quick Tools. And when you get a chance, check this out too. Mic check. That's a great tool as well. But we're going to go to Enhanced Speech. This tool will actually enhance your speech by removing all background noise and echo. And let's see how that works. It will open up to this page, and the only files that you can use are MP3 or WAV files, only audio. So you will have to separate your audio from your video. If you don't have something like Premiere, iMovie allows you to separate your video and your audio, and that's free with your Mac. I'm not sure about the Windows side, but I believe that it probably does the same thing. I think it's called Windows Movie Maker or something like that. And then you can either drop the file here or you can upload it. I'm going to upload it, and that's going to be this with the external mic. And then you let Adobe do its thing. It may take a few minutes. And there it is. Let's see what it sounds like.
So I'm outside now using my external mic. You can still hear all the sounds. It picks up the birds chirping, the traffic. Sometimes we may even get a dog barking, but these are the ambient sounds that come with recording outside. So I'm outside now using my external mic. You can still hear all the sounds. It picks up the birds chirping, the traffic. Sometimes we may even get a dog barking.
Okay, so you see, it actually sounds almost 95% better. And then what you do is you download it. You go to your download folder, and here it is right here. Now in this clip, I unhooked my mic, and I'm using the camera microphone. So you can see that if you don't have an external mic, you can still use this tool, and it will work well to cancel out birds and the traffic. I'm going to take the same clip and put it into the software and let you hear what that sounds like as well. Okay, so now we're going to bring in that clip where I recorded directly into the camera's mic. See what that sounds like. So you come right here to upload another. Okay, now let's see what it sounds like. Now in this clip, I unhooked my mic, and I'm using the camera microphone. So you can see that if you don't have an external mic. Okay, so that's what it sounded like after the speech enhancement tool did what it does. Now, just to go back and hear what it initially sounded like, we're going to do it without the enhancement. Now in this clip, I unhooked my mic, and I'm using the camera microphone. So you can see that if you don't have an external mic, what a difference. Wow, I think I still heard the birds chirping, but it wasn't as obtrusive as it was initially. So this is a tool that really will help out a lot of people who just don't have the money to spend on an expensive mic. Hopefully this will work as well for you, because sometimes it's a little quirky because it's still in the beta stage. But try it out, and let me know in the comments section below whether it worked out for you or not. Go on and check it out. Use it as much as you want to right now because it is free. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.